Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your iPhone hotspot not working. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your settings, of course, and then simply head into your personal hotspot and turn it on and off. But in order to go ahead and have it, of course, you need to have your mobile data turned on. So simply go ahead and try to turn it on and turn it off. Also make sure that maximize compatibility is turned on. You could also simply go ahead and do the same thing with your mobile data by turning it on and turning it off. The final thing you want to go ahead and try to do is simply go ahead and enable and disable your airplane mode. Head into your settings, then head straight into general and scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and reset network settings. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.